2025 Prelim Nanyang Primary School Paper 1 Booklet A, Question 14. Burmese has 3 ropes J, K, and L. The ratio of the length of rope J to the length of rope K is 5:8. Okay. J, K, L. The length of rope J to K is 5:8. J is 5U. K is 8U. Alright, rope K is 4/9 as long as rope L. Now K to L is equals to 4/9, 4U to 9U. However, we have our K as 8U, so let's convert this to 8U over 18U. Right, just multiply by 2. Right, so now we know K is 8U, so L will be 18U. What does the question want? The ratio of J to L. J to L is 5U to 18U. Okay, so our ratio is 5:18. Answer is option 4.